Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve a flyer like this. How I'm going to make the flyers is we're going to go ahead and use Canva. So I use Instagram posts to make all of my flyers. You can choose whatever one that works best for you. So I'm going to use a blank template, and I'm going to go ahead and add the logo on that we used before, and we're just going to put it all adjusted to your liking. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and add a shape into the flyer. I'm going to change it into the colors of my logo. So I'm going to kind of play around with it to see what kind of design that I'm going for. And I will just repeat the steps until I find a good layout that I want to use for my flyer. Okay, so now I just went ahead and duplicated the shape and kind of put that light pink in the background of the dark pink shape. And I'm just messing around with the logo to give it a better shaping. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is save it, because I can use it for another template type of thing. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is add in some clip art. I got this off of Google. I just type in hair bundles with transparent background and I achieved this. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is place that one in the back. How you would place this one in the back, you would actually go to the three dots and it'll have an arrow pointing up and an arrow pointing down in the right hand side corner of the page, the top right, and you would just play around with it. So now I'm just going to kind of just add in more shapes and add words to the flyer. This is basically a thank you card. Like, you can print this off of Vistaprint. I will leave the link below on how you can print out your thank you cards on Vistaprint, and I will also show you how you can do thank you cards, business cards, flyers, anything branding that you want to print out. They basically can help you succeed in that. So I will leave the link below as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in my website information and just play around with the colors and the font as well. And this is basically how I achieve on how to make my thank you flyers. Next, I will be showing you guys how to make a e-flyer for your Instagram or your Facebook or whatever you want to do. It's actually at the end of this video as well. I combined it with thank you cards and e-flyers as well in one video. Okay, so now I'm going to resize how I have the bundles, and it's still going to be placed behind the shapes that I have added on to the flyer. And then I'm going to change the wording around to okay, guys, and this is how I create my thank you cards and my e-flyers. And I will leave all the links to Vistaprint below.